Okay, that's a big update that's coming in. Actor Allu Arjun has been granted interim bail. A big relief there for the superstar, Pushpa 2 superstar. The actor has now been granted bail, and this comes minutes after he was sent to 14 days of judicial custody. That's the big update that we're getting in here on Republic, where actor Allu Arjun has been granted interim bail. Like we were discussing with our colleague Aneri just before some time, that the actor could appeal for an interim bail in the High Court. And the latest update that we are getting in is that actor Allu Arjun, the Pushpa 2 superstar, minutes after being sent to judicial custody, has been granted interim bail in the case. So that's the latest updates that's coming in. Remember, he was arrested today at around noon. Soon after he was sent to jail, he filed for an early hearing of his petition, and around 4 p.m. is when the Telangana High Court started hearing his petition for quashing of the FIR. 1.5 hours after the hearing is what we learned that he had been sent to 14 days of judicial custody. And now the latest update that we are getting in is that just 40 minutes after he was granted 14 days of judicial custody, the actor has been granted interim bail. Aneri, a big update there coming in, a big relief to actor Allu Arjun. Please share more details.
Well, Tanisha, what we are getting is that this is from the Telangana High Court, and also this has been Allu Arjun has been granted interim bail from the Telangana High Court. So basically, a lot of development that had taken place. On one side, we had seen, as I was pointing out earlier also, there were two hearings that were taking place. One at the Nampally Court, which had given 14 days of remand to our actor Allu Arjun, and he was already shifted to the Chanchalguda jail. But on the other side, we had seen that there was a hearing that began at 4 p.m. at the Telangana High Court for the petition that was filed by Allu Arjun 2 days back over the quashing of FIR against him. So now the Telangana High Court has granted bail to him in that connection. So we'll have to see how it turns out to be next. And also at the same time, when will Allu Arjun come out of Chanchalguda jail also remains to be seen, as he has been granted interim bail by the High Court.
Right. Aneri, stay with me, because I'm also being joined by Gesu Bhardwaj from the newsroom. Gesu, a big relief there coming in for actor Allu Arjun. The High Court says the right to life and liberty cannot be taken away just because he's an actor. That's a strong observation that's coming in from the High Court. Also take us through what other observations has the judge made, because what we learn is that the judge will be dictating the final order anytime soon.
Right, Tanisha. Tanisha, the judge has said that we have sympathy for the family of the victim, which is the 39-year-old lady who was killed, whose husband, by the way, retracted the complaint that he had filed against actor Allu Arjun. He has also maintained that Allu Arjun will be granted interim bail for a certain period, and they will let him avail appropriate remedies in the meantime. So this is the big judgment that has come from the High Court. And the High Court has also said that just because he is an actor does not cancel his right for liberty and life, and it cannot be taken away, which is why he will be granted an interim bail of a certain period, and he will be allowed to access remedies in that meantime. In fact, his legal team continues to maintain that this case is not of a culpable homicide, and they need those charges to be taken off the case of Allu Arjun. Tanisha.
Right. Stay with us, Gesu and Aneri, because we're getting in live updates from the courtroom, where I believe the judge is dictating the order on Allu Arjun's arrest. The judge says he's actually recounting at this point in time the events that led up to the arrest of the accused, so that the hearing is still underway. Remember, we got you that update just few minutes back, where the actor had been sent to 14 days of judicial custody, and just moments after that verdict came in,